Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Said Mohammad Ashar Bukhari. Today we are going to work on Solid Edge V20 software. I'm going to make a 3-pipe junction. Click on the solid part. The solid part interface appears. Now I'm going to change the default setting of units. Click the file, then file properties. Click on units, then from inches to millimeters for my own convenience. Okay. For this purpose, I'm going to select simple Portuguese command. Click here. Now I'm going to select the reference plane. I select XY plane. Here it is. For pipes, we are going to make the circle. Click on the center of the both planes, and I am going to make it. Now I am going to make another circle of this by taking the. Now I click on return. As you can see, we can move. We are going to make a pipe which moves up and down the protrusion split extent, which moves right to left at the same time. Click on this. As you can see, it can move up and down both. I'm going to make a length of 500 millimeters. Enter. Click on fit to see it properly. Click on finish. Then now again I select the simple Portuguese command. For this purpose, I'm going to select plane. Click on this. Here is the first circle. Is to make it two-way. Okay. Now I'm going to click circle and then again make a circle millimeter diameter. Okay. Now I click on return. It can move either right way or left way, and we are going to make it. I click on protrusion symmetric extend command. As you can see, it can now move both ways. I'm going to select the length as 500 mm. Okay, now I click on finish. Get it to see. Now I'm going to select another reference plane for making a third pipe. I'm going to select XZ plane. And now click on circle and then click the center of both planes. There is the and then leave the other one which is mine. And then move it. Okay, it's all done. Now I'm going to make another circle. Diameter 80 millimeter. I click on return. As you can see, here is another third pipe. Right way or left way, I'm going to move it to the both face. I'm going to select the protrusion material and take the length of page as 500 millimeter. Click on finish. Now cancel. As you can see, our 3-pipe junction is ready. When we see through these pipes, here is a block. we have to see it to the other side. To make this solid part hollow, I'm going to use a command. I click on out and then select the face. I'm going to select circle and then click the center and then make it this way. I click on return. To make it a better view, I click on rotate. Okay, now close. You can see it can move either way. I cut out material stand and here you can see. Okay, and through this side our pipe is now ready. Now I'm going to change the direction. Again use cutout command and take the face of this. Okay, then I'm going to again select, take cutout. Okay, I click on return, click on rotate to make, click on close, cut out material stand to make a cutout in both ways. Okay, click on finish, then cancel. You can see our this side is ready and this side is ready. Now only here is the solid part. To remove it, again I use the cutout command, select the face of this command as my reference, click on the circle and select the center, and now return. Click on rotate to make it a better view. I click on close and then split. I'm going to rotate it to see how it looks. As you can see, our 3-pipe junction is completely ready. Then I'm going to beautify it using part painter. I click on format and part painter. I click on green and select feature. This feature green and now red. Now for the inside, I click the orange command. Just cut out orange. I can and again on orange. Click rotate to get a hole. Okay, you can see our pipe is almost ready. As you can see, it is completely ready. Now I'm going to close it. I'm going to save this junction. File, save as, then videos, vertical work, 3 pipes. Now here we select click on save. Now you can see our profile is ready. If you have any query, you can ask me anytime. Thank you very much. Okay, Allah Hafiz.